can't send in the army to sort out school food.
Ew.
It's done by really passionate.
So what have you done then? Have you set out just a 3-point plan, or is it
Hello, Miss. Christmas presents. Today we are opening the cat's belated Christmas presents. Yes, and they are wrapped. Wrap the cat's Christmas presents.
There was £16 million put
Do you think?
into coaching.
And a good sniff. I am a good sniff. I like the smell of it. I like the smell of it. Oh, she's going to try and open on her own.
Somewhere completely different from the school. So school cups are often the only people who leave and who come to school and leave.
You coming? I'm going to join.
And you need to integrate
And Kitty.
the kitchen into the middle of school.
Yeah.
And then there's also this work on standards that has been launched this term. So
What do you think?
the school food standards.
Can you please open them? I can't open the paper. Need a bit of help, please.
Type in into a computer.
Please open the Christmas presents.
Very complicated.
Please, Mummy. And in the first one, we got one of these. It is, it is a Christmas cat toy stocking. Yay! Yeah, hold on. Catnip. See, look, cat. Good. Let's open them. We can. Probably could do with some scissors, but let's see. Well, I took a few of them out. Not all of them, but see what they think.
I think a lot of it's the image as well. We talk about our own schools and we get, lots of
Stand up might be better. Do you think it is?
different now. How confident are you that, if you're back here in 5 years' time, this will be a success?
It's all about the
Is it a yay or an A?
I see that going up. So school club status to be very low. It's now people are realising these are really critical people.
Unless they've got the budget, Henry.
Budget's actually the budget.
You're saying that if the budget is £1.96 a day and all
£2.30 for the university.
I wasn't with them for Christmas, so they ended up spending Christmas all on their own.
the amount of money they're spending on
Oh, that's why I belated bless you, Kitty. That's why I belated Christmas presents.
We've got there's a chef who is coming. I've been talking to who's coming from a very grand restaurant in London to go and work full time at the school. And she is looking at the costings. The money actually, if you look at what restaurants
No, sniff that catnip. Sniff it. Sniff it, snooze.
It is in small schools, particularly from the small schools. So if you're a school under 100
You're supposed to play with the toys, aren't you?
it's the skill, as with cooking at home, it's do you have the skill and the knowledge?
Get anywhere near my catnip and I'll claw your face off.
Janet would have, actually. That's what she It's very interesting. So that is the school food plan. Your kids might even talk about it. It started this term, isn't it?
That's your next present. I'll open that in a bit.
And look forward to having you back and following this through and seeing how it is. Thank you very much. How are you doing, everybody?
Well, I'm not sure about Sherlock, but I think Misty approves. She's gonna have that catnip toy.
Bingo 50 from Tom Bella sponsors Loose Women.
I want the kidney inside.
Enter your reg number now at WeBuyAnyCar.com.
We asked real Amazon customers what they love about Amazon Prime.
So next day delivery is a really useful service. I can get what I want when I want. The amount of money I've saved since using Amazon Prime has been absolutely fantastic.
The choice is amazing.
I think she definitely approves that one.
Prime Instant Video.
It's got loads and loads of films and series to watch.
We love it.
I'm sure she'll have a hole in it before the day's out.
Plus Prime Instant Video. Amazon Prime. Sign up for your 30-day free trial today.
Healthy dinners in a flash. We've got a
Okay, well, those are those presents. Let's open the other one now. See what you think of this other one. I know you like this other one because you kept watching it on the TV, on the adverts when it was getting advertised. So, again, I think Misty's a bit too preoccupied with the catnip. And I'm losing my voice.
Regular exercise is important for everyone, but so is eating right.
I seem to have a croak on my voice when I'm filming the garden. Sorry about that.
Not so fast.
That's not a toy, I don't have a clue. Have you pulled that off already? I think that is part of that catnip. Part of that catnip toy, and look. She's ripped off the catnip toy already. That didn't last long at all. You've ripped it off. I've only just opened it. Oi! Not paying any attention, are you?
But it was far too hot in the summer and far too cold in the winter.
Misty,
The new fully insulated super
you broke it already.
Now enjoy it all again.
You ripped it off.
30% savings and
Hello.
free fitting.
Open the other present now. Come on then. Well, after knowing that my cats like to watch the advertisement of this product, I couldn't help but actually buy the product. And it's got quite a cute name. This is the cat's Meow. Recently advertised on TV. I don't think it's on TV anymore, but my cats enjoyed watching it. And guess what? You've got your own now, so you don't need to watch, you can play. So yeah, let's see what happens with this one.